To oh man, I didn't feel like recording live. Well, I did, and I turned it off. Um, Took a couple of trades, one win, two loss. I'm sorry, one short loss, which I don't know why, and two wins. Um, um, yeah, I'm breaking my rules, man. I'm getting too emotional with the trade, which I normally don't do. Just because I lost yesterday, I was like, I don't know, I was just trying to save my losses, which I shouldn't have done because the trade ended up winning anyway. I just had to wait. But at the same time, I didn't follow my rules. Again, day number two where I didn't follow my rules. Right. So here are my executions. Blah 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 blah. This right here is the loss that I cut short, like a small loss, and these two were the wins. This right here was a Judas swing win. But as you can see, this strategy, the alligator strategy, it did win too. And I just took this trade right here like 5 minutes ago at one, just to get myself back together on like, hey, stick to your strategy, stick to what you do, stick to all your rules, and blase blase. So again, small loss and then two wins. I think I'm a little down this month due to this loss and yesterday's loss, but it's okay. I'm like barely down. So all next week, hopefully I can trade all next week. I should be able to get back to in profit, and then it'll be like a quote unquote break even month for me. Again, I didn't trade my this is my live account. I only have one account. I didn't trade this account all month. I traded my combine off and on, off and on, off and on. So um, I'd probably still be in profit even with this loss if I traded just solely this account all month. But it's okay. Anyway, so I'll close these because this shit's getting. All right, I woke up. I did follow my rules. I'm waiting for all the candles, all the folders to close. So we had 10 a.m. news. I waited till 10 a.m. Where is it at? Boom, 10 a.m. happened. It went up. I'm still only looking for sales. Excuse me. Because we got bullish structure on the higher time frame. So I'm only looking for sales. No buys. So where we at? All right. This is where I messed up at. I keep trying to get in really fast and trying to rush. Well, this candle closed below all three EMAs. I had a bearish momentum, and the RSI was at a good level. But if you look in the top left corner, right here, look at these numbers. The green was still above the red in terms of value. So you got 20,340.8 and 20,340.5. So the green EMA should have been a lower value, which it wasn't. But it was on this candle. But when you look down at the histogram, we have weak momentum. That's where I fucked up at. And as you can see, it did still win. My stop loss was like way up here, but I got super scared because it just went straight up, and I closed it like right here. But as you can see, like 10 minutes later, it came right back down and won. Actually, 15 minutes later. But the entry, my correct entry, should have been right here on this candle. I'm moving a little bit too fast, but this candle is my entry because why? The green is actually below the red EMA. I got good momentum and the RSI is at a good level, and we're still breaking structure to the downside on the higher time frame. We did not break any higher time frame highs. So this should have been my entry right here. Or if I wanted to wait it, I could have waited till right here. Would have been at some drawdown, but stop loss was like way up here anyway. So I would have won that. Again, even over down here. Like this is how I trade. Candles, EMAs, histogram, RSI. I'm not even following my own rules that I've made. And I'm just hurting my own self. So candles, where we at? Candles, cool. Candles closed. EMAs, all EMAs are pointed downwards and they're all in the correct position. Since we're going down, I need green on the bottom, red in the middle, blue at the top. Got it. Histogram is showing strong momentum. Cool. And the RSI was at a good level. I should have got in right here on this candle. It would have been an easy win. Stop way up there, whatever, easy win. So then, anyways, I ended up taking this trade right here. A little wonky, but hey, my rules are still my rules. So candles close below all three EMAs, all three EMAs are pointing downwards, and they're at the correct levels. Histogram, barely, but I got red momentum, and the RSI is at a good level. I got in the trade, and I won one, two, like 4 minutes later, and it's still continuing to go down. Why is it going down? Only taking sales because we haven't broke any structure to the upside. No structure was broken to the upside on the higher time frame. We're still the most recent break of structure. Shit was right here at 9:15, and it has not broken any highs yet. So I don't care about these big white candles. These are just pullbacks. Like if I was looking for buys, price needs to close above these highs for me to get in for buys, which it hasn't all day. So I will continue to sell. Well, I'm done trading right now, but yeah, that's the reason for the trade. As you can see, price is moving accordingly. You got some pullbacks, sure, but I think me, it's just my confidence. Confidence and slowing down. I've been moving way too fast. This is another loss that I shouldn't have taken. Again, this is all trader errors, not due to the market. It's all me. I lost yesterday because of me. I lost today because of me. But if I stick to my strategy, it wins. This is day number two where I broke my rules and me being emotional bit me again. If I stick to my rules, like what I've been doing previous months, previous weeks, I'd be better off. But I'm just breaking my rules, breaking my rules. I don't know why. Shit, here was a win right here. Right here at 10:30. Why is this a win? Cause cool. All the candles. EMA, Instagram, RSI. I'm gonna keep saying it because I gotta drill it back into my head. But candles closed. All three EMAs are pointing down in the correct order. You got good momentum on the histogram. RSI is at a good level. Stop loss probably way up here. Like easy win. Like I'm losing on dumb shit. Like it's just really annoying. Now, good thing for me, the strategy is still working. I can confidently say that the strategy is working. It's just me. I gotta slow down. I gotta slow down. There was no reason to get into this trade right here. This one, because theoretically, the green was not. I need everything to be perfect to line up. I don't care if the green is 30 points higher than the red. I don't care. It needs to be lower, like it was right here on this one. But then this one, the histogram didn't have any momentum, so I just should have waited. Man, it's tanking too. See, this is why I trade with trend. Look at this shit tanking. I could have had a big, huge runner, but it's okay. It's okay. This is what I'm documenting my whole journey for. I'm transparent. I'm just documenting everything. So this is me documenting. Stick to your fucking plan, dude. Stop being stupid. Stop being emotional. Slow down. Wait for the perfect setup. If I miss it, I miss it. Who cares? Yep, that's all we got, man. 2-1 for the day. So next week is I gotta recover my losses, and then we'll be back in profit. That's all I got. I can't trade tomorrow. I gotta be at work super early tomorrow, so I can't trade tomorrow. Looks like I'll be trading NFP week. So I'll see you guys next week.